Welcome to Fun-Filled World.
The Ant and the Elephant. Once upon a time, there was a big proud elephant living in jungle. Elephant thought he was better than the smaller animals. In the same jungle, there lived a ant family. Every day, all the ants used to go out and find food. While ants were returning to home, they often saw the elephant being mean to animals. One day, ants were going home and elephant sprayed water on ants with trunk. Little ant said, "Dear elephant, you shouldn't hurt others." Elephant replied, "You better be quiet, little ant, and if you talk against me, I will crush you." Ant felt very sad and decided to teach elephant a lesson. When elephant was eating food, little ant slowly crawled onto the elephant's body and started biting him. Elephant tried to shake the ant out, but he couldn't do. Elephant started crying and started saying, "Oh dear ant, I'm sorry. Please stop biting me and I won't hurt anyone from now." Ant said, "Now you know how it hurts," and crawled down the elephant's body. From that day, elephant never troubled any animal again, and all the animals lived happily. Moral of the story is, never underestimate others or treat them poorly. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please like and subscribe to our channel.